You might have noticed that it's been almost a month right now that I haven't uploaded any mobile repairing tutorial video, and you might be wondering why. The thing is that I want to give a break to these mobile repairing tutorial videos for some reasons, and I will let you know the reasons. I want you to understand that it's not like I'm giving up on the videos. I just want to be part from the videos for some time. You understand? I just want to give it a break for some time because I'm focusing on my other YouTube channel, which is my new YouTube channel. As I can see, I'm trying to grow the YouTube channel, so it needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of focus. You might be wondering why I can't make both videos at the same time. This I want you to understand that these YouTube videos are really hard to make. It takes a lot of time to make those videos, and the videos that I upload on this channel, you see the mobile repairing tutorial videos, it takes a lot of time to record, edit, explain all the stuff. And when I'm making the videos, I'm not just making the videos for fun. I really want to help you guys out here, but I need some payback from YouTube. That is why I upload the videos on YouTube, and I expect YouTube to pay me for the time, for all the editing, the time that I spend doing all the editing and recording the videos. You understand? So, but these mobile repairing videos, the RPM, which is how much YouTube pays me per 1,000 views, is low, really low, and that's a big problem because of the low RPM on this channel, this mobile repairing videos. The RPM is so low, so I don't really think that all the time that I spend making these videos, I get a payback for the time that I spend. You understand? So that is why I need another source of income on YouTube. That is why I decided to focus on my other YouTube channel, so that yeah, once it start picking up, I can then start making videos for both channel. Even if by the end of this month, by the end of the month, this old YouTube channel doesn't make a lot of money, combining it with a new YouTube channel revenue, yeah, that will make a lot of money. So I've been all this while I've been focusing on this old YouTube channel, thinking that yeah, maybe the channel can yeah pop up. Yeah, it's doing great, but it's not perfect because the amount of views that I get with the low RPM, I cannot really make anything reasonable on the channel. Do you understand? Okay, but I want you to understand that the channel will still be functioning. You understand the channel will still be functioning. I'm still going to be uploading videos on this channel, but I'm going to be uploading videos that are easy to make, easy to edit, which will be like software videos, unlocking tools videos. I'm going to be uploading those videos for the meantime while focusing on my YouTube channel. So keep in mind the channel is still functioning. And another thing, my course is still fully functioning. My online course, which is the private classes. So if you want to learn everything mobile repairing, complete mobile repairing course privately, which the course is very detailed. I teach everything about mobile repairing, starting from the basic level of troubleshooting any mobile phone fault and understanding all the components and the circuits of a mobile PCB. I teach that in my course, and if you're interested in that, send me a WhatsApp message using the number on the screen right here. But when you send me the message, let me know that you are from YouTube, because I treat my YouTube followers differently. The course is a premium course, but I reduce the price for those who follow me on YouTube. So when you message me, let me know you are from YouTube. So when you message me, I will send you all the information about my course, all the things that you are going to learn, and the format in which you are going to learn them.